Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book. Today we're doing puzzle number 3. If we start with this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 7, 7 and 8 here. So that makes this our 6, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this top row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 covering both of these boxes, so our 6 must be here. 8 is here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 4, 5. 5 covering both of these boxes, and a 4 here. That means this is our 8, 4, 5. To finish out this box, we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 4. 8 here, so 3, 4. That means that our 8 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 3 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here. So 2, 4. And the 3 there, so 2, 4. That means that our 3 has to be here. That makes this our 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so 4, 9. Same here, 4, 9. We've got the 9 here and a 4 here, so 1, 3. 1 here, 9 here. 3, 4. But if we look, then the only place our 1 can be is here, and the only place our 3 can be is here. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row now, we're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 6, 3. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. Oh, and that 8 comes down here, makes this our 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5 and 4. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.